EduAI. Welcome to this training session on the upstream sector of the oil and gas industry. We are EduAI, and in the next 5 minutes, you'll journey through the life cycle of upstream operations, from exploration to production. The upstream segment is where it all starts. Identifying potential reserves, drilling to reach target reservoir, developing infrastructure, and finally bringing hydrocarbons to the surface. It's a world of high risk, advanced technology, and high capital. Let's begin with the first step. Finding oil and gas. The first step in upstream is exploration, the art and science of discovering hydrocarbon reserves. It all begins with basin and play analysis, where geologists study rock formations, tectonic structures, and the potential for oil and gas generation. Next comes the seismic surveys, using seismic technology to see beneath the surface. 3D seismic imaging, ocean bottom nodes, OBN, and electromagnetic scans help identify traps and reservoirs. This phase is data-heavy and capital-intensive, but it lays the foundation for all future decisions. Once a prospect is confirmed, it's time to drill. Drilling a well is an engineering feat, combining precision, safety, and deep technical knowledge. The process begins with site preparation, analyzing seismic data, and securing permits. Then comes rig mobilization, using land rigs or offshore units like jackup rigs, semi-submersibles, or drill ships. Now let's deep dive on the drilling phase. Step-by-step process in oil and gas operations. Step A, spudding in, starting the well. We begin by drilling a shallow section known as the conductor hole. This section is reinforced with surface casing to prevent the hole from collapsing during the initial phase of drilling. Step B, drilling ahead. The drilling process uses specialized bits, PDC, roller cone, or diamond bits, connected to a drill string made up of drill pipes and collars. We circulate drilling fluid, or mud, which plays a critical role in the operation. Its functions include cooling and lubricating the bit, carrying rock cuttings to the surface, and maintaining pressure in the wellbore to prevent blowouts. Step C, casing and cementing. After drilling each section, casing is run into the well and cemented in place to stabilize the structure. Common casing strings include conductor casing for shallow depths, surface casing to protect freshwater zones, intermediate casing to isolate unstable formations, and production casing as the final lining down to the reservoir. Logging tools measure formation properties in real time, revealing if hydrocarbons are present. If promising, we move to well completion. If not, the well is safely plugged and abandoned. When oil and gas is discovered, the focus shifts to field development, transforming a discovery into a producing asset. Engineers design the field development plan, FDP, aiming to maximize recovery and minimize cost. Surface facilities are built, wellheads, separators, pipelines, and storage units onshore, while in offshore platforms uses FSO, FPSO, and fixed platform for production. Pipeline systems and flow lines carry hydrocarbons to topside processing units. Every component, from safety systems to remote sensors, is optimized for long-term, reliable production. This is where infrastructure and innovation come together. That brings us to the end of our upstream overview training. We've covered the essential phases: exploration, drilling, project development, and production, highlighting how each step plays a vital role in bringing oil and gas resources to the surface. Understanding the upstream sector is critical, not just for technical professionals, but for anyone involved in the energy value chain. It's where risk meets opportunity and where innovation is constantly reshaping the way we explore and produce energy. Thank you for your time and attention. We hope this session has given you valuable insight into the upstream business and sparked a deeper interest in the dynamic world of oil and gas. Stay curious, stay informed, and see you in the next module. EduAI. Bring AI for education.